pretty fair maid was in her garden when a stranger came riding by. He came up to the gate and called her, said, pretty fair maid, would you be my bride? She said, I have a true love who's in the army, and he's been gone for 7 long years. And if he's gone for 7 years longer, I'll still be waiting for him here. Perhaps he's on some watercourse drowning. Perhaps he's on some battlefield slain. Perhaps he's to some fair girl married, and you may never see him again. Well, if he's drowned, I hope he's happy. Or if he's on some battlefield slain, if he's to some fair girl married, I love the girl that married him. He pulled his hand out of his pocket, and on his finger he wore a golden ring. And when she saw that gold band shining, a brand new song her heart did sing. Then he threw his arms all around her, kisses gave her 1, 2, 3, said, I'm your true and loving soldier, has come back home to marry thee. The pretty fair maid all in the garden when a stranger came riding by. He came up to the gate and called her, said, pretty fair maid, would you be my bride?